Many of us experience minor household repair problems from time to time. The You Can Do It instructional videos provide you with simple tips on how to carry out minor DIY jobs within your home. How to prevent damp and mould. In this video, Aaron will show you tips to combat existing damp and mould and prevent new mould growth. Condensation is a common cause of mould in the home, with 70% of homes in the UK experiencing it. Condensation occurs when excess warm moisture in the air comes into contact with cooler air or a cold surface. Everyday activities such as cooking, showering and bathing, and drying clothes indoors can cause condensation. As a responsible landlord, Homes for Haringey uses measures such as air vents to minimise condensation in your home. There are simple steps we advise that you take to reduce condensation and prevent damp and mould.
There are three main ways to manage condensation in your home. Number 1, stop excess moisture building up. Number 2, ventilate your home. Number 3, keep your home warm.
Stop excess moisture building up.
Cover boiling pans when cooking. When washing and drying your clothes, make sure you close the door behind you to prevent steam going into the colder part of the property, even after you've finished. Avoid using your radiator to dry your clothes. If you are drying clothes indoors, please use a clothes airer. And opening the legs out fully. Once your clothes are on the airer, go to your windows to allow ventilation to the room. To reduce potential damage to surfaces and windowsills, wipe down any excess moisture that has built up.
Ventilate or air your home.
To ventilate your home, open the windows and use trickle vents if you have them. Allow air to circulate around your furniture and cupboards. You can do this by not overfilling your cupboards too much and allowing space for air to flow between them. It is very important to unblock your air vents in your home to allow air circulation to flow. Turn on extractor fans, especially when you are cooking, washing or drying clothes. Most extractor fans have built-in sensors. Make sure your extractor fan is turned on at the mains so that it works automatically. Open a window for a while each day.
Keep your home warm.
Fitting draft excluders may reduce the cost of your fuel bills. When the property is warmer, condensation is less likely to form. Maintain moderate heat when the weather is wet or cold. This is more effective than short bursts of high heat. If you don't have heating in every room, open the door to allow the heat to circulate around the home, except for kitchens and bathrooms, where doors should be closed to allow extractor fans to work. In winter, you may want to ventilate your home, but not want to lose heat by opening a window. Using an extractor fan, as well as leaving a window ajar, is a way of losing less heat.
Other causes of damp. Damp in walls and ceilings can be caused by condensation, but there are other causes of damp such as leaking internal and external pipes, rising damp which is caused by moisture from the ground into the walls of buildings, which results in structural damage. Penetrating damp is generally caused by a problem with the building, allowing rainwater to penetrate through into the home. Treating existing mould.
Treat existing mould. Wipe down the affected surfaces using a specialist mould spray. These can be found in most supermarkets and hardware stores. Avoid using bleach and washing up liquid. Also, do not disturb mould by brushing or vacuuming, as this can increase the risk of breathing problems. Treat the mould that you may already have in your home, then follow the previous steps to reduce condensation. This will restrict new mould growth. Throw away any cloths you have used to clean the mould.
Clothes that have mould growing on them should be dry cleaned, and carpets with mould on them should be cleaned. After treatment of the affected areas, redecorate if needed using good quality fungicidal paint. This can be found at most supermarkets and hardware stores. For your safety, remember to always use gloves when handling mould spray. Use a mould spray that carries a Health and Safety Executive approved number. Make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions. Dispose of cleaning cloths.